Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will teach you guys on how to create a program that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then our program will simply divide and find the quotient of the two given numbers using a function in Python programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. So let's begin. Basically guys, I'm using online GDB as my online Python compiler. It is free to use over the internet, so make sure you have the internet connection. So we have here a function that I create, dev divide underscore all a and b colon. So divide assignment statement equals a divided by b, return divide. Here line number 5 and 6, we are asking the user to give first and second number. The first number will be stored in our variable num underscore 1, and then the second number will be stored in our num underscore 2. Take note that we have here data type casting int integer. Normally the input command in Python should be treated any value as a string. So in order to convert into integer, we have to call this function int. The same thing with line number 6. Next, we have another assignment statement, result equals divide underscore all, open and close parentheses. We pass the two passing parameters like num underscore 1 and num underscore 2, the two variables, and then here we display now the quotient of and of num format num underscore 1 num underscore 2 and result. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us click the run button to execute the program. Enter first number. Let's say we have 1000. Second number, let's say we have 100. So the quotient of 110 1100 is 10. Another example, let's say we have 64. First number, second number we have 8. So the quotient of 64 and 8 is 8. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on divide of two numbers using a function in Python programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.